Technology in this business is extraordinary. Repairing a Porsche isn't like the old days where you can just weld it and put it back together. There's so many different composites in cars now. We use different methods. There's a lot of adhesive, a lot of riveting. Welding really is becoming obsolete in the repair of the cars. With Porsche, they want us to keep up to date with the latest repair methods. So for us, we have to send one of our people down quite often to the Porsche training to learn how to do the latest repair methods on the cars. And really big with that is iCar. iCar Australia have done the training and then they pass it on to us.
iCar came about in the late 70s in the US in order to bridge the gap between the skills of where the technicians were and where they needed to be. So as the vehicles continue to change, obviously the skills need to improve with them. That's our main focus, is to provide up-to-date skills and knowledge to the collision repair industry.